Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about how to solve Para Jumble questions. These questions are also known as sentence arrangement, sentence rearrangement. Sometimes they are also called sentence sequencing questions. Here, we will learn the tricks of how to attempt these questions correctly and with 100% accuracy. Remember, this is a concept video. For solved practice exercises and previous year questions, please refer to our other videos. Once we understand this, we can apply these techniques to solve complicated questions. To form the correct sequence, we need to establish a connection or a link between these sentences. A connection or a link may be established with the help of ideas or words. Let's understand these concepts. First, let us discuss about ideas. Let us take a simple example to understand these things properly. The sentences for a parajumble are: Sentence 1. He has a lot of fans. Sentence 2. Salman is a superstar. Sentence 3. However, Salman is not a good actor. And sentence 4. Moreover, his female following is high. These 4 sentences will form our first example. In this group of 4 sentences, there are 2 ideas. First idea: praise for Salman, or saying something good about Salman. Can you identify the sentences where Salman is being praised? These sentences have the same idea. The sentences are sentence 1, sentence 2, and sentence 4. Did you guess it correctly? Second idea: criticism for Salman, or saying something not so good about Salman. Can you identify the sentence which has the second idea? Obviously, it is sentence 3. Let's learn the concept. Sentences with the same idea shall be together. So, sentences 1, 2 and 4 should be together. The word however indicates a change of idea. Now, let's learn about words. Words. There are 4 types of words we need to know to solve Para Jumble questions. Let's begin. First one: pronouns. If we could identify the word which the pronoun refers to, that will tell us which sentence will come before or precede this particular sentence. Examples of pronouns could be he, she, it, they, etc. In our example, sentence 1 contains he. This he refers to Salman. So, sentence 1 should come after sentence 2. The second kind of word is contrasting words. These indicate a change of idea in a sentence. The idea of a preceding sentence may be opposite in nature to this particular sentence. Examples of such words would be however, although, but, etc. In our example, however, in sentence 3 indicates a change of idea. Next, supporting words. These words, whenever used in a sentence, indicate that the idea in this sentence is same as in the previous or preceding sentence. This sentence says something to support the previous sentence. Examples of such words would be further, moreover, so, etc. In our example, sentence 4 supports sentence 1. So, it should come after sentence 1. The fourth and the last kind of words are concluding words. These words, when used in a sentence, indicate the conclusion of an idea and not of the entire paragraph. Examples of such words could be therefore, finally, etc. Sentences with such words may come in the middle of a sequence because these represent the conclusion of an idea and not of the entire paragraph. In our example, no concluding word is used. Remember, therefore may also be used as a supporting word. Retake remember. Remember, therefore may also be used as a supporting word. And now, last but not the least, introductory sentence. It has two characteristics. First, it is a sentence which gives a general introduction to the topic. Second, it has no connection or link with any previous sentence. Also remember, the flow of logic is from general to specific. So, any sentence which has specific information cannot be used as an introductory sentence. Did you like this video? Please comment, share and like it. Thank you.